Having Salesforce and Agentforce has changed the way we view the customer at Sutton Tools. We're a high SKU count business and we have a lot of products with a lot of complexity, and the scope for improving customer information and product selection is really exciting with Agentforce.
Yeah, the OSF team always been good to deliver anything. If I specifically talk about the Agentforce, that was a very good experience. They had all the requirement cleared, and I think we take only like 4 weeks.
Our first agent was designed around the customer being able to search for our product and search for it by SKU and barcode. So it gives them an advantage to return the stock by multiple warehouses, their buy price, just with typing in literally a few words.
Thus setting the stage for a digital labor platform that can scale with the business globally. It's incredibly rewarding to partner with a business who is not only visionary, but also is deeply invested in making the most out of their technology investment.
Looking ahead, what excites us about the future of Agentforce is really that it's enabling that next level of automation, being able to deal with those routine tasks like pricing and stock availability. It's really freeing up our team to deal with those more complex, high-value interactions.
I can see in the very near future the ability for our team and our customers to achieve what they want so that our business can grow and prosper.
We love working with Sutton Tools. They have a clear vision. They understand their customers. That gives our team a clear mandate to innovate on the platform, recommend approaches, and by leveraging the power of Agentforce to deliver on those expectations. And it's been great for us to be part of that journey, and it's been great for us to actually help drive the innovation.
I think if you're going to undertake a digital transformation with Salesforce, it goes without saying you need a reliable partner with continuity. We're a growing business. We're expanding internationally. We're able to execute in these markets faster, quicker, and with more accuracy. And customers receive the benefit.